Urban Explorers! In today's guide, I have a game-changing feature with you, getting real-time transit data on Google Maps. Whether you rely on public transport or are just interested in live updates, this is your ultimate guide to a seamless public transport experience. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure it is updated for the latest features. Search for the place where you want to find out about your transportation. When you select a place, you will see a small icon in the shape of a bus. Click on it. A page will open where you can see all the transports that pass by that route and at what exact time they are at your station. By choosing from the offered transports, the application will show you a more detailed arrival time of the transport. By clicking on the transport, you can see the route of that transport from the starting point to the last stop. And there it is. You have successfully accessed real-time transportation data on Google Maps. Now, travel with confidence and stay informed throughout your journey. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel and tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with real-time transit updates.